Come. I saw it when I came in earlier. But I didn't know how to tell you about it. But don't worry about this, Neha. I'll see how to handle this, okay?
What can you do about this, Yash? I must do what has to be done now. Listen to me. We won't discuss this inside though, okay? Pari is very happy. I will see how to deal with this tomorrow. Let's go.
Neha, let me know if you need any kind of help.
Let's go.
Amazing. Very nice.
This is drawn so nicely. Such a lovely, talented girl you are.
Okay then, uncle, aunt, bye.
Keep visiting us, okay?
And yes, just because you've had this experience doesn't mean you mustn't think about your marriage. You will meet a nice girl.
Okay. Can I leave?
Yes.
The pav bhaji was really tasty.
Thank you. It wasn't too spicy, was it?
No. I had fun today.
Come often.
There was a notice here, right?
I put the picture on it. Didn't want anyone to see it.
But it's a nice picture. Pari drew this?
She wants a palace like this. But she has no idea how much money it takes to build such a palace.
Pari wants it, right? It'll certainly come true.
Bye, friend. You must come back soon.
I will certainly come. If my little darling said so, of course I will.
Mom? Why did you put the picture of my palace out here?
It just so I...
Pari, I'd asked her to put it here.
Why?
You know, because the palace will come to you, right? So it must know where you live, right? That's why I put it up there. Bye.
Bye.
Neha, when you go to live in this palace, what will you do with this painting? Give it to me. I mean, you can go and live in the palace, but let Pari's painting stay with me. Bye.
Bye.
There are folks who find great joy in small things. It's amazing.
Pari, did you take your crayons? Pari, what's going on with you? Come on, fill this at once. Come on, come on. Did you take your drawing book?
Yes, I took it.
Pari, come on, hurry. We are getting late, dear. Pari, where are you going, Pari?
Uncle, Bandu uncle.
You are back early today, have you? Huh?
I have not come back. I have to leave now.
Really?
Can you write a letter for me?
Of course I will. Who do you want me to write the letter to? Tell me. Grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, who?
For the palace.
To the palace. Who is palace? A new friend of yours?
It's not a friend.
Then what?
It's my house.
Really? So tell me, what should I write? Huh?
Dear palace.
Okay. Dear palace. Here. Aha. Here.
Thank you, Bandu uncle.
Welcome.
Pari, what are you doing out here? Dear Palace, while mom is at the office, I stay at Uncle Bandu's place all day. If you come and I'm not at home, then come and meet me there. Yours, Pari. Pari, what is this?
It's a letter to the palace.
Friend said so, right? How will the palace know where I am?
But I
am at Uncle and Aunt's place all day.
So
what if the palace comes to meet me right there? It must know I'm coming here, right?
Come, let's get our induction. Oh, my dear. Sit here.
Oh God, Neha, what will happen now? How will this work? How has this happened?
What is it, sister-in-law?
You are being evicted from the house, right? I told you so. People don't allow a woman who's alone to live in peace.
Sister-in-law, calm down and sit here, please.
What can I say to you? But this kind of sorrow isn't meant for anyone.
Yes, calm down. Just calm down. Pari, take your bag and get ready.
Your house.
How do you know?
I know, although you never told me. An eviction notice was sent. The notice has been put up outside. The whole world knows. How can I not know?
Who told you?
Pranjpe told me.
Huh?
He's a lawyer, right? The bank sent a notice through him. He has been saying no anyway. But he can't help it since he's a lawyer. He can't oppose it beyond a point. These bank officers have no mercy or pity at all. They send out these notices first, then there is a hearing in the court, then you get directly to a prison. Dear God, no jail, please. Why don't you do one thing instead? Go and ask Mr. Pranjpe what should you do. He will suggest something. He's smart. Let me do one thing. I will call him. Wait.
Sister-in-law, why must you do this right
Just
away?
wait. Hello, Pranjpe. This is Meenakshi. Yes, this is Neha's number. Do you have time to meet her today? Can you help out? We need to discuss something. Yeah, sure. Wait. Can you make it today?
I have to go to the office today.
Listen, can you please speak to her? Huh? Talk to him.
What?
Talk to him. Go on.
Hello?
I have heard about your problem. Don't worry. It can be resolved. So, you can meet me at 1:30 p.m.
I can try, but I don't think I can leave the office.
Okay, but my problem is that I have time only till 1:30 p.m. After that, I'll get busy. And I can't be sure of any free time for the next whole week. See, if you can make it, then you can come over. Okay? Bye.
You can always go to the office, but you must get this done. Listen to me. Just go to Pranjpe without fail and just ask him what to do. He can handle all this. He can tell you a way out of this. You can't live in the office if you lose your house here. What is this? Is she still taking injections? Just give her a large dose instead of injecting her daily. And end it all at once.
Sister-in-law.
I'm leaving. Is this Pari's tiffin box? It's heavy, loaded. I haven't eaten anything since morning. Let me eat this on the way, okay? Don't forget to call Mr. Pranjpe, okay?
Hey, listen.
Oh, the tea's getting cold. How many times must I reheat it?
Let me have it. That's why
Drink it
I
at
called you.
once.
Yeah, give it to me.
And what are you looking for? Please tell me. This is such a huge mess.
I am looking for something very important. Trust me.
What on earth is this?
Uncle seems to be busy at work.
He seems to be searching for something. Look at all the mess he has created. Excuse me, engineer.
Yes.
Pari has come and I'm putting the fan on now.
Put
okay?
it on.
Yes.
I never said no.
Aunt, I keep telling you to apply the oil for joint pain. Why don't you listen to
Yes,
me?
of course. I will apply it.
I'll go out today. I don't know when I'll be back.
Okay.
Just go without a care. And don't worry about Pari at all, okay?
Pari, be happy and eat on time. Help Aunt after eating food. Don't trouble them, okay? Fine, bye. I'll leave.
Sure.
Bye, dear.
Bye
Let's go.
bye.
Won't you be talking to me today? Yes? What is this, uncle? Don't create such a mess. Don't you remember you have to give snacks to Pari?
And don't worry about Pari at all, okay?
Pari? Go on. Uncle will give you snacks.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Go and pray to God.
hurry up.
Then uncle will give you the offerings. Listen. What's the matter?
Actually, Neha's sister-in-law came today. The court has put up a notice on her door.
Oh Lord.
The girl must be shaken up.
What about this file? Listen. These papers are for our house.
Why do we need the house, huh? God, please save this girl.
Neha,
Yes?
give me the sales report file that I gave you yesterday. Thank you.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, Pranjpay speaking. When will you come to meet me?
I tried, but I can't make it.
I see. I mean, Neha, the house may be sealed tomorrow. So I called. If you can't make it, then...
No, don't. Let me handle this. I'll be there. Don't worry.